Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Maryland lottery app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Maryland lottery app. Okay, right here. So if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So first here we'll just open it. Okay, just press and hold it here. Just click on this I button. So at here have to go at last, click on the storage, click on the clear button, just click on the delete. Then here you have to check for the update. Just go to the Google search bar and search for the Maryland lottery. Okay, Maryland lottery app. Okay, so from here you have to check for the update. So if it's been updated, then fine. If it's not, you can update and use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.